Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family. Today's video is my Chic Beauty Box for May and June. If you are unfamiliar with the Chic Beauty Box, this is a bi-monthly makeup beauty subscription box where you receive 5 to 6 products for $34.99. I will put a little discount code right here. It's not mine, I'm not affiliated, but the box was gifted to me, so thank you so much to Chic Beauty Box. But I'll put a little code right here if you want to get a box for 10% off. I'm gonna dive right in. I'm very excited. Also, if you like this look, I really love it a whole lot. This was my Throwback Thursday video for yesterday. So we are gonna dive in. I'm so very excited. I want to speak to just the minimalistic approach that they have. It's literally just a very small box. It's packaged well. I like that. I also like that it's a bi-monthly box. So maybe you're trying to build a collection, maybe you're new to makeup and you want to have something that is pretty makeup heavy. They're very makeup heavy, but you want something that's more makeup heavy, but you don't want to be overrun with product. You have a couple months in between that you can use the products up, so I really like that idea of it. So it is packaged beautifully. We do have our informational card in here. I'm not going to look at that just yet. First thing right on top is one of my all-time favorites, the Ofra highlighter. This is in the shade X's and Glows. It very much looks like the one that I have called All of the Lights. But Ofra, when it comes to highlighters, they're literally the cream of the crop. I love the packaging. They're nice and heavy, nice and weighted. And it is a beautiful multicolored highlighter. I like the idea of this as well. The one that I have, the All of the Lights, is quite similar to this one. So I probably will pass this one along just because, look, do I need any more highlighters? No, I don't. Next up is the, Suva Beauty. I don't think I've tried anything from Suva Beauty, not that I can recall. This is a Hydra liner in the shade, it says Doodle, and then it says Matte. Ooh, that's exciting. Alright, I messed up the packaging a little bit, so if I end up giving this away, just know that it was not used. It was me not opening it correctly. That is cool! It has a black and a white. That would have been really cool for today's look. I don't use liners a whole lot, but I think that is super cool, man. The black and the white together. And I know quite a few creators that use the Suva Beauty liners like this, and they swear by them and they love them. Next up is, how convenient, the brush. It is the Suva Beauty 620 Fine Detail Liner Brush. So I like that they gave you this and they also gave you the tool to be able to create your looks with. Next up, a BFC or Beauty for Certain lip. I don't know. Let's open it up and find out. The Beauty for Certain mascara that we got in an IPSY bag a long time ago is fantastic. And it is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade number 24. I really like the packaging of this. And that does look like a beautiful nudie color. You guys know that here on my channel, I try my best to not be wasteful. So because I don't usually wear liquid lipsticks, as I'm wearing one right now, I'm going to just put it to the side and think on this. But again, very makeup heavy, and so far I'm thrilled. And then last but not least is a palette. This is the CAB Cosmetics palette. I believe I already actually have this palette too, so that kind of makes me happy. I can showcase the box for you guys and then also be able to do a giveaway because we like to pay things forward around here. This is the CAB Cosmetics, yes, the Day and Night eyeshadow palette. And I'll keep this sealed. Give me just a second. I will grab mine and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I'm literally going to stick this one right back in the packaging. I'm not going to open it at all. But here is the palette, the Day-Night palette. Here's what the palette looks like. I think it is absolutely stunning. I have not used this solely because, again, I try not to be wasteful. So if I don't think I'm going to use something, I put it up in my for sale thing. I do makeup mystery boxes and stuff like that. So I don't want to use things that I know I'm not going to get a ton of use out of. I'm really trying to be mindful of that. So let's look at our little card. The May-June box, of course, has 5 full-size items. The CAB Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette was $52. Our Ofra highlighter, the X's and Glows, I love that name, is $35 retail. The Beauty for Certain matte liquid lipstick is $22. The Suva Beauty Hydra liner in Doodle is $16. And then the Suva Beauty 620 liner brush was $13, giving us a total value of $138. And of course, it was $34.99 for the entire box. Y'all know we like to do a giveaway around here, so we're gonna do a giveaway. So if you want to be entered to win the entire contents of the May-June box, you're gonna comment down below, just any random comment. Make sure it's a genuine comment. You're gonna share the video out. You must be 18 and publicly subscribe, but all the rules and everything are down below. They're always the same for all my giveaways on my channel. Hopefully this gives you a better idea of what you can expect from Chic Beauty Box. I really love the idea of it being a very makeup heavy, very makeup forward brand. They also showcase indie brands, which you guys know has my heart and soul. And I like the fact, again, that it is a bi-monthly box. I really like that. I feel like you have enough time to use all these products up, get a general idea of how you feel about the products, and then you're receiving a new box. Thank you so much to Chic Beauty Box for sending this my way. I really do appreciate it. Good luck, beauties. What was your favorite thing? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.